Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we shall discuss the next set of questions, that is the verbal part English communication test that was asked in GSPAN. So there are around 30 questions that was asked in this part. So we shall quickly see the next. We have seen half of that questions. So in this video we shall see the remaining question, that is in previous video we have covered around 20 plus questions. So in this video we shall solve the 21st question. So fill in the blanks with an appropriate word. We are not well acquainted dash our neighbors at. So by our neighbors at, to our neighbors, of our neighbors, and the D option is with our neighbors at. So you can say option D is correct answer, because with, so we are not well acquainted means which we are not at involved. So we are not at involved with the neighbors at. So you can say with our neighbors at is the correct option. So next one is write the correct sequence of sentences. Reformers want new laws that will make the owners of casinos act in socially responsible ways, and these tricks might include removing clocks from gambling floor, stimulating daylight and making the exit hard to find, and option C is a new super casinos will be something completely new and some fear that they will deploy psychological techniques to maximize gambling. So to maximize gambling. And the last option is that in particular they want regulations that ban the casino operators from encouraging people to gamble. So from encouraging people to gamble or that increase the risk of problem gambling. So that increase the risk of problem gambling. So these are the options. So now we need to make it proper sentence. So first we shall see the option ABCD. So check with ABCD. Initially reformers want new laws that will make the owners of casinos act in socially responsible ways. You can say it will start with option A. Now check with B. So these tricks might include removing clocks from gambling floors, stimulating daylight and making the exit hard to find. So here you can say reformers they have told about the casinos. So here in option B there is no usage of word casinos. So first you need to find in which sentence there is a usage of word casinos. So you can say in option 3 there is a new super casinos will be. It is starting with a new. So in responsible ways, a new super, it is not a correct way. So we shall seek the option D. It is like reformers want new laws that will make the owners of casinos act in socially responsible ways. In particular, they want regulations that ban the casino operators from encouraging people to gamble. So encouraging people to gamble or that increase the risk of problem gambling. So you can say A followed by D. So we shall see third one, C. So problem gambling, a new super casinos. Again you need to use, there is a casinos, you are using casinos. So a new user casinos will be something completely new and some fear that they will deploy psychological techniques to maximize gambling. So to maximize gambling. And the option B is these tricks might be removing clocks from gambling floor. So here you are using gambling, again here you use gambling. So the correct sequence of word you can say A, D, C, B. So option B is the correct answer for this question. You can say option B is the correct answer. So we shall quickly see the next question. So the next question is that correctly find the correctly spelled words. So correctly spelled word, that is withhold, withhold. So withholded. So which is the correct option? So you can say withhold. So option B is the correct option for this, withhold. So don't write withhold. So withhold. So next thing is for 24th question. So he is too important for tolerating any delay. He is too important for tolerating any delay. So you need to use the appropriate word for tolerating. So whether for tolerating is correct. He is too important to tolerating any delay. At tolerate, it is not correct way to write the sentence. With tolerating, no. So appropriate word is he is too important to tolerate any delay. So they are telling it in present tense, so to tolerate in any delay. So the next one is, what is the correct sequence of sentences? The option A is food is important in other ways too. anything that we digest is a food. And here the option C is we get our energy. So we get our energy and essential bodily nourishment with the food, because not having enough the right sort will yield weak. So we shall see the options. So here options are A, B, D, C and A, B, C, D, and option C is A, C, B, D. So first you need to start with food. So food is important. So the first thing is food is important. So food is important in other ways too. Anything that we can digest is food. So we get our energy. So first option is A itself. It is starting, all the options are starting with A. You can say it will start with A. So food is important in other ways too. Next one is B. Anything that we can digest is a food. And C, D is nothing but because not having enough the right sort will yield weak. Then after that we get our energy and essential bodily nourishment with food. So next B is A, B, C, D, like A, B, C, D, and the C option is A, C, B, D. So C option is A, C, B, D, and you can say the correct option. So you can say A, C, B, D. First thing is food is important in other ways too. We get our energy and essential bodily nourishment with food. So we have used food in first sentence. We have used the food in first statement, and then after that in which other statement we have used food. So we have used here. So we get our energy with food. So you can say AC. So we get our energy and nourishment with food. So AC. The next thing is that B1 is nothing but anything that we can digest is a food, because not having enough the right sort will yield weak. So ACBD. So ACBD is the correct option. So next thing is find the closest meaning, having a sour or bitter taste or a character. So you can say it is nothing but the meaning for this is to cause an unpleasant memory. So bitter is nothing but, so sour or bitter like a bad mood like such. So you can say to cause unpleasant memory. So the last question is to keeps one temper. So this is an idiom. So to keeps one temper is to become hungry, to be in a good mood, and next thing is to preserve one's energy. So the last one is that none. So to keeps one temper is that to make the person to make that person keep in a good mind. So to keep one's temper is that to be in a good mind. So to make others happy like such. So to be in good mind we can say to keep one's temper. So in this video we have completed around 27 questions that was asked in the English communication test. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.